Yeah, we're gonna wait, go to the top where the waterfall is.
No, we'll be able to make it through here now.
Try it.
No, let me do it.
Just put it on there, where it'll fall off.
There it goes. I think it's stuck. Bam.
Carson, move it.
Wait, I think it's moving. No. Yep, it's moving. No.
Move it so it can go down.
Yeah, I told you it's stuck.
It's so funny. Put it back in the thing so we can watch it go down.
Carson! Carson! Come here!
Yes.
You won't let me take a picture of you. Don't do that. I'm going to stick out my tongue.
I'm not going to make it through the food, Carson.
Wait, stop pushing it. Let it go on its own.
See? Now you just made it even worse.
Yeah.
No, it goes back to the thing, I think.
Okay, somebody get a stick and push it.
No, I can handle it. Not supposed to get near the lavender horses. Not supposed to do that. You know, it's a nature reserve. It's supposed to make the nature live, not die. You want the nature to live. Great. Go
Dump
ahead.
it.
Just get a stick.
Hey, Brandon.
What do you want? I just saw some frogs.
Ooh, I want a frog.
No, it went in the cracks though. Where you can't reach it.
Don't push it to the other side. Push it that way.
I think it docked. I don't think it wants to go down. No, I gotta stop it right here. No. Stop! It's not gonna make it through the tree.
Stop!
Forever. Stop!
Yeah.
Fine, then lose it.
Look out.
See? Wait for it.
It's gonna go through the tube.
Great going. You got it stuck in there.
I wonder if it'll go back out.
You can go check, Carson, because it's missing now.
You might have to shove a stick through there, because you might get yourself in trouble.
Therefore, the term nature reserve, not to put a balloon down the drain. Right, and I pushed it.
Ow!
Whoa, I just saw another frog.
I think that was a mosquito. Ouch, what are you doing?
Where's the stick?
Come on, come here.
It's stuck. I'm a go. Where's your rock or something? Come over here.
What's wrong?
Where's the frog? Where's the rock?
No. No.
Hannah, you know, I do what you say. Will you do what I say?
Okay.
See, there's a stick. You can pop it. No. I can make it survive. I will survive till I die. I don't think it's coming out, Carson. What do you think I meant when I said it's not going to come out when you stick it in there?
I can do it. It might take time.